Today we're cooking salmon in an air fryer. This is a quick and easy way to get a delicious, healthy meal on the table fast. Let's get started. Before you begin, pat your salmon fillets dry with a paper towel. I have two 6-ounce fillets. First, we'll coat these in olive oil. Now we'll sprinkle on our seasoning salt. Next, we'll put on some black pepper. And last, we'll sprinkle on some paprika generously. The paprika gives it that beautiful red coloring. Now that we have our salmon seasoned on all sides, we'll preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees. I'll place these in the air fryer and cook at a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 minutes. Depending on the size of your salmon fillets, you may want to adjust the time just a bit. Okay, let's check our internal temperature. We're there. We're right at 145 degrees. Let's get these out. Oh, those are beautiful. All right, let's try them out. Whoa, that's beautiful and flaky. They're falling apart. I'm gonna try one. Looks delish. So flaky, delicious, and juicy. It's just falling apart. Oh my goodness. So good. Cooking salmon in an air fryer is easy, delicious, and makes you look like a pro in the kitchen. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. See you next time.